Alright guys, so what is up? Today we have a special package. Oh yeah, and since it says Amazon Prime, you can pretty much guess what this thing is. So I cannot wait to open this and see what's inside. Alright, so as you guys can tell, this is a pretty big package right here. This thing is pretty sick, and I'm not even going to regret getting this because, you know why? I really wanted it. And just to give a point of view of how big this thing really is, most of you guys might know what this is. Well, anyway, let's just cut to the chase. Amazon Prime, there's only one thing I ordered, and that would be the Monster Jam Steel Titans video game. So, basically, this thing is pretty sick, as this room is completely filthy, and I apologize for that. But I haven't seen an unboxing video of this. This should be the collector's edition of the Monster Jam game, so hopefully it is. I am really eager to open this. I've been actually really waiting for this and dying for it. So, yeah, I've been working all day, which was great. This came at probably like 10 in the morning. I got the email on my phone. And, yeah, so I'm going to open this bad boy up. Boop. Now, I haven't seen any unboxing videos of this, so this thing's going to be really cool. I can't wait to see it. And, oh man, look at that, dude. Alright, nothing else in the box. Wow, that looks sick. That looks amazing. Here, let's take a closer look at this. Yeah, so if you guys didn't get the collector's edition, this is it. I really like this packaging here. This is pretty cool. You got the Monster Jam Steel Titans. Obviously, I got it for PlayStation 4. If you guys know me, PlayStation 4, you know, I've always had a PlayStation since, like, 1995. So, yeah. Here we go with the back. So, basically, the packaging is basically the same as, like, I guess the disc, or, like, the game, if you got the game. Ooh, look at the side here. We got the steel booklet, truck face postcard, and obviously the game. And maybe on the other side it shows, let's see, yep. It shows the instant unlockable trucks, and the exclusive thing, the exclusive diecast, which is probably the only reason why I really honestly got this. And I don't even care if it was 80, 70 bucks or whatever it was. So let's jump out, or just move this real quick here, put this back down. Alright, so I didn't know where to put the camera or anything, but this thing looks amazing, dude. Alright, so let's take off this plastic and see how this stuff actually looks on the inside here. So, collector's edition, I played this game a little before, and it is amazing. It's actually, I played basically every single Monster Truck game that's ever come out since, like, Monster Truck Madness N64. And this one, some of the physics are a little weird, and it's a little weird to get used to, but it's not that bad. Try not to damage the packaging here or anything. Get that off. So this is going to slide right out. At least I think. Yeah. Alright, let's get this out. Attempt to get this out. Oh no. Maybe this way. There we go. Alright, so nice little cardboard cover. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I like this. This is pretty cool. Here's the Monster Jam Steel Titans little box. Collector's edition. Alright, let's see how to open this bad pup. Ah, we got stuff falling out of it already. Alright, so this looks like to be the code. So this is the code to get your instant trucks unlocked, which I think it's only these 3. I can't remember if that's true, so I'm going to put that over there so I don't lose that. Alright, and here we go. It opens just like this. Alright, so we're going to try to do the unveiling this way. Alright, so here is the game, and I'm pretty sure it's the same. Yeah, so on the box, on this little thing right here, all that is basically everything that's on the game itself, so that's pretty cool. That's really cool. Just like a normal PlayStation game. On the right side of this, we got a booklet. Here. Nice little black booklet, that's pretty cool. I like the, oh, that feels weird, I like that feeling. So, here's the booklet. And this is just like, oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I guess they're like postcards or truck facts. So let's see here. Okay, so Alien Invasion. Let's read one here. Each Monster Jam truck is apparent. Alright, so basically it's a picture of every truck in the game, and it's basically giving you a little fact about, let's see, anything for the truck. Alright, so basically it tells you little facts like Monster Jam's been around since 1992. That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. I like that. I thought it would be like, oh, okay, well, for this one it says Dragon Monster Truck shoots fire from its mouth, just like the real dragon. So I guess little facts for each of the trucks, which is pretty cool. There's so many. There's a lot in this. And then you got a little... That's pretty cool. I love Megalodon, so that's pretty cool. I'll look at that a little later. I just want to get to the main course, and I think you all know what that is. Well, we're going to put that back right here. Alright, and here we go with this. Not too sure what this is. Oh, it's a collector's... Alright, so you can put the game in there. That's pretty cool. I like that. I really like that. So it actually comes with a case like that. So you can either put the game in there, or you can put it in here. So, you get two options. That's kind of cool. Alright. Now get into the main thing. The reason why I got this, and probably a lot of other people. Here it is. The Gold Spin Master Gravedigger. Wow, look at that thing, dude. Gold beadlocks, gold rims. That's pretty sick. Roll cage is gold. It's not a shiny gold, but it's pretty cool. Flames are gold. The only red on this is the headlights, which is pretty sick. Wow, that's pretty cool. Just for this, it's totally worth it in my opinion. And on the back, I'm just reading it a little bit. Sorry for the light. That is pretty cool. That's awesome. That is totally worth it. At least in my opinion. If you guys didn't want the truck, or you guys don't collect the trucks, then, I don't know, buy the game. But you do get a lot in this. I like the little packaging and box it came with. As you see, there's nothing else in there. But that's pretty cool. I honestly think this was well worth the $80. I know on eBay they're going for like $100. Yeah, this is totally worth it in my opinion. I'm a huge Monster Jam fan, as you guys do know. And yeah, so I mainly got it for that diecast. But yeah, I'm going to have some gameplay videos coming out shortly. And yeah, if you guys were wondering what's in the collector's edition, that's basically it. That's all she wrote. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video. I really couldn't wait for this. This was a long time waiting. I really like this little truck fact book. That's pretty cool with the pictures and everything. So yeah, hopefully if you guys didn't get the collector's edition, or you can't find it anymore, or it's on back order, you guys got to see what was in it at least. So yeah, and with all that being said, I'll see you guys in another video, and I'm going to start downloading this onto the PlayStation and playing this, because I honestly cannot wait to play it again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.